All right, day Wednesday of LA. Day Wednesday. So it's like 9:30. I think this is the earliest that we've been able to like be up and ready since we've gotten here. So we're on our way to Malibu right now. We're gonna stop at this place called the Getty though. See, I always like check with you. I'm like, we're going to this place, but I don't actually know if that's what it's called. So Sam always verifies. And we're gonna go there. Sam says that it's like really cool to take pictures and everything. And then we're gonna go to Malibu because we wanna eat at Malibu Farm. And then after that, we're just gonna explore around like Melrose. And yeah. Guys, it is nice out. What is this? What is this? Wow! This is what I was expecting. This is right. This is good. Could you imagine having a garden like this in your house? I want to walk through it, but I don't know if we're like allowed to.
Yeah, I think we are.
This is so pretty. I like all the like mosaic on that.
Yeah.
Hang on. We're gonna throw coins in. Woo! Make a wish. 1, 2, 3. Did your wish come true?
Yeah.
Mine can't.
Huh?
There's a lot of people out here now. Do you want to move on to the next place?
Yeah.
Or do you want to take pictures in there?
Let's try taking a picture.
I'm gonna live in a house like this one day. This looks like a scene from a movie. Same, that's me right there. Same. Just kidding, that's a man. Just kidding. Oh, is it recording?
Yeah.
Guys, I'm getting major like house inspiration for whenever I get to decorate someday. Guys, I just met a subscriber. I wonder if she's gonna watch this. I'm always so awkward when people confront me because like, I don't know what to say, but it was cool. Where to now? I'm like, I have a phone in my armpit.
Let's go down there. We haven't even
and a camera in each hand. Okay. This is quite the view. Could you seriously imagine living here?
Yeah, I can imagine it. I just wish it was real. It's a reality.
All right, so we are leaving now. There are so many field trips. Okay, let's go.
Did you see this view? Yeah.
Look at this view.
Pretty.
What are you? Oh, I thought you were gonna like climb up or. I know that's what I.
Okay, now that.
I was just about to say, what are you doing? All right, this is the kind of weather that I've been expecting this whole trip, and I'm so happy that the sun finally came out. So we just got to the Malibu Pier. What?
Oh, nothing. I thought you said we just got to the Malibu.
The Malibu Pier, right? That's what this is called? I saw something that said the Malibu Pier, but we're gonna go eat at Malibu Farm. Because Sam said that it's really good and it's more of like a healthy place, so we're gonna get lunch there. Look at all those chickens. You remember when that video was a thing? I wanna move here. I want to be on the beach every single day of my life. It's my favorite. This is so cool. Obviously not drinking any of the alcohols.
Strawberry shake sounds so good right now.
Yeah. I don't know what I want yet.
You want to get an appetizer?
I don't know. I need to look. All right, what is that?
Turmeric?
Like, what's in it? Is it like just juice?
I don't know. It's supposed to be super healthy.
I don't want to try it.
You are?
I don't think I'm gonna like it. Let me smell it.
You're not gonna like it.
Yeah, I don't think I'd like that at all. It smells like cleaning product.
Cleaned your body.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm clean.
Should I like take it like a shot or just drink it?
I don't know, this is your rodeo. Just sip it. Or is that like a... Should I try it?
Yeah, you should try, just to experience it. Like just take a little sip.
What is the point of this? These nachos are so good. I love piers. But I like this a lot more than like the Santa Monica pier.
Yeah, because it's not as like crazy.
Yeah, that was like too busy and too crazy, I think. What if I dropped my camera over this? It's a long way down. I'm like scared to even show.
Yeah, just put the strap on.
That's what I did. Malibu is definitely my favorite.
Do you want to go more up the coast to sit on the beach? Away from all the people? Because you haven't been far.
Yeah, I want to go on the beach for a little bit. We have our bathing suits in the car, so I'm gonna go change. It's kind of cold still, but like I just want to like bask in the sun. So that's Pepperdine University, right? Is that how you pronounce it? Pepperdine? And that's where they filmed Zoe 101. I thought that my camera just died, but I just pressed the button and it like stopped recording. But who else watched Zoe 101 when they were little? Yeah, that was one of my favorite shows. And then whenever Jamie got pregnant, my mom wouldn't let me watch the show anymore. And I also remember that it was on at like 8 o'clock on Sunday nights and I wasn't allowed to stay up that late, but it was one of my favorite shows. We're on our way. We could have gone to the beach like right where we were eating, but we're gonna drive up north a little bit. That way it's just like a little bit less crowded because I really want to just like enjoy the beach and I'm not gonna be like a kid splashing around in the water or anything. But yeah, it's so fun just like driving along the coast. I feel like if I were to move to anywhere like in the LA area, this is definitely the place that I can see myself living the most. Like I just love the ocean so much. That has always been one of my favorite places to be. Like, this is amazing. Guys, I'm loving this. I am loving this so much. We're on the beach. It's not super, super warm, which is kind of annoying, but it's warm enough to lay out. There's like not a lot of people here. This is awesome. I wish I could get a tan right now. I really wish that it was like warm enough that I could lay out here for a really long time. All right, guys, we are leaving the beach. We ended up falling asleep. What, were you asleep too?
I fell asleep for a little bit.
Yeah, I was asleep. I think I was asleep for probably like
at least 30,
a half hour. Yeah, at least a half hour. So we are leaving now and we're actually gonna stop at Target because I really need to pee. And also I don't have clean underwear because I like changed in the car and stuff, but I have like a change of clothes. And we want to go out and keep doing stuff, so we're gonna stop at Target so I can buy underwear. Like, I know that's so extra, but what can I say? It's probably like the weirdest thing that I've ever worn out in public, and this is going to be the weirdest Target haul ever. We have windshield wiper fluid for our rental car. I have a pair of underwear. He's getting a bag of popcorn, and I want a bag of gummy bears, but they either have this huge $8 bag or they have like one of these little ones, and I know that the little one's not gonna be enough.
Let's get the big one.
Okay, just getting the big one. I feel so weird though, I'm just like carrying.
This is the big one.
That's the kind of bag that I was looking for. Okay, wait, that makes way more sense. This one's like unreasonable. There we go. All right. Anyways, I feel so uncomfortable. I'm just like discreetly carrying a pair of underwear around Target. I'm trying to not make it obvious, but also trying to make it not look like I'm stealing. Oh, they sell alcohol here? That is so weird to me. That is like so bizarre.
That's foreign to you.
It is foreign. We don't have any of that in Pennsylvania. One day, I'm going to have one of those pink KitchenAid mixers. One day, in my kitchen, my all-white kitchen, I'm gonna have a pink mixer. Okay, so we came to Melrose to take a picture in front of the pink wall, but the sun's kind of going away now, so we're gonna try to take pictures, but there's actually a wall like right across from Melrose that's really pretty and floral, and it says hello on it, so I think I'm gonna try taking a picture of that. What'd you just do?
Just smelled the flowers.
You're weird. Boys have cuties. Bye, pink wall. Bye, Sam. Bye. Is the other one still available?
Yeah.
Do I need it?
You can ride it back to the car.
But the car's like so close.
Right around the block. Do you want it? Scan.
Yeah. I wish we could get a pink sunset. That's the one thing that Sam always told me about, like, before I came out here. He would always talk about the pink sky, and I haven't seen a single pink sky, so I think I have bad luck. Anyway, so we took some pictures on Melrose. There was that wall across the street that said hello that I wanted to take some pictures of, but there was a huge group of girls taking pictures, and I didn't want to like ask them to stop or anything. So anyways, we might stop back there so I can just get a picture of that wall, but we did get some on Melrose, just like at the pink wall. So now we're gonna go pick up Alejandro. That's who we were hanging out with the other day, and we're gonna go get some dinner with him. And I think we're gonna get Mexican, which is good because I don't think we've had that at all since we've been here. Have we?
We're getting Chinese.
I'm stupid.
You're not stupid.
I just think it's funny. I was like, yeah, we're getting Mexican and that's good, blah, blah, blah. And you were sitting there and you were just like, we're not getting Mexican. Like, whatever. Okay, so I guess we're getting Chinese. All right, guys, so you know how I said that we were getting Mexican and then Sam told me that we were getting Chinese? Turns out we're getting neither.
That's what I thought.
I said we were getting Mexican and he was like, no, we're getting Chinese food. But we came to this place called Sage. It's, where are we, in Hollywood?
Culver City.
Okay, I don't know where that is. But it's like a very healthy place. So we're gonna eat here. Do you have anything to say?
Hi guys.
Oh, my battery's dying.